Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast and magnificent place, stretching over 100,000 light-years across. It's a swirling disk of stars, gas, and dust, rotating around a supermassive black hole at its center. This cosmic ecosystem is teeming with activity, from the birth of new stars and nebulae to the violent deaths of old ones in supernovae. Among the billions upon billions of objects it contains, some stand out as truly bizarre and fascinating, like neutron stars and rogue planets. These objects push the boundaries of our understanding, challenging our preconceived notions about the nature of the universe, and inspiring us to explore further and learn more about the cosmos. Take, for instance, Magnetars. These incredibly dense stars possess magnetic fields millions of times stronger than anything we can create on Earth. Imagine a force so powerful it could distort the very fabric of spacetime, ripping atoms apart with ease. That's the awesome power of a magnetar. Then there are black hole jets, beams of high-energy particles spewing from the poles of supermassive black holes. These jets are not just random bursts, they are powerful streams that can travel vast distances across the cosmos. These jets can extend for thousands of light-years, influencing the evolution of entire galaxies. They shape the formation of stars, and can even affect the interstellar medium, the matter that exists in the space between stars. They serve as a reminder that black holes, often portrayed as cosmic vacuum cleaners, can also be engines of creation. By ejecting these high-energy particles, black holes contribute to the dynamic processes that govern the universe, making them essential players in the cosmic ballet. And let's not forget about giant molecular clouds, the nurseries of stars. These immense clouds of gas and dust, some spanning hundreds of light-years, are where stars like our Sun are born. They are cosmic cauldrons, where gravity gathers and compresses matter, igniting the nuclear fusion that powers stars. Finally, we have neutron stars, the remnants of massive stars that have exploded as supernovae. These objects are so dense that a teaspoonful of their material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. They spin rapidly, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across our sky like cosmic lighthouses. The universe is a tapestry of cosmic wonders, woven from the threads of gravity, matter, and energy. These fundamental forces and elements interact in ways that create the breathtaking phenomena we observe in the cosmos. From the mind-boggling magnetic fields of magnetars, which are neutron stars with magnetic fields 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's, to the powerful jets emanating from black holes which can shoot out particles at nearly the speed of light, from the stellar nurseries of giant molecular clouds, where new stars are born from collapsing gas and dust, to the extreme density of neutron stars, which pack more mass than the Sun into a sphere just a few kilometers across. The cosmos never ceases to amaze us. Each discovery adds a new thread to the intricate tapestry of our understanding. As we continue to explore the universe, through missions that take us to the far reaches of our solar system and beyond, we are constantly confronted with new discoveries, such as exoplanets orbiting distant stars, and the mysterious dark matter that makes up most of the universe's mass. New mysteries that challenge our understanding and ignite our imaginations. These phenomena push us to ask deeper questions about the nature of reality. The study of these objects, from quasars to pulsars, not only deepens our appreciation for the diversity of the cosmos, showcasing the myriad forms that matter and energy can take, but also pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, driving technological advancements and new theories in physics, leading to new insights into the fundamental laws of physics. These insights help us understand the forces that govern everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. The universe is a vast and wondrous place filled with more stars than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches, and we are fortunate to be along for the ride. Our journey through space is not just a scientific endeavor but a deeply human one, filled with curiosity and wonder. So, keep looking up at the stars, for they are the beacons that guide us through the darkness, and never stop wondering about the secrets they hold. Each star, each galaxy, each cosmic event is a chapter in the grand story of the universe, waiting to be discovered and understood.